You've got to think about the way that people use technology. I mean, we're using iPads to collect data, and all of our software is also usable on iPads and iPhones and electronic devices like that. So you've got to think about where people are needing the technology, what they're actually using to access it all, and making sure that your product is up there and ready to use.
I think they've been talking a lot about mobility, the fact that they need to have their data wherever they are on whatever sort of system. So there's a real need to have all of this stuff on iPads, on sort of telephones, to be totally connected all the time to what they're actually doing.
The actual level of maturity hasn't gone up massively, so you've still got this great mass of people who are really mature and understand project management and program management. And what Microsoft and other companies have done is really expanded that to lots of other organisations, but they're quite immature still, we find.
We find some of the common challenges in the industry is that people are going through mergers and acquisitions, a lot of change. So that's one thing that's consistent is change, is how do you manage that changing environment with new technologies.
What they need to think about is, yes, there's some technology that can help them, but they also need to work internally to improve the maturity of the people, the project managers, for example, but also to educate the rest of the business that project management is really important as something that they do on a day-to-day basis, and not to think of it as something special. It should just be business as usual, and that's really the key, we find.